Welcome to the Altium Designer tutorial series. This is tutorial 6, and in today's lesson, I'll show you how to create a component array in Altium Designer, a quick way to place multiple components in a clean, evenly spaced pattern. Let's start with the PCB I have open. Let's create an array of vias. To create an array, first copy the via. Then go to the Edit menu, choose Paste Special option. A dialog box will open. Enable the Paste on Current Layer option, type the number of component, as well as the spacing between each component. Once you click OK, the components will be placed automatically in a perfectly aligned array. This is especially useful when working with LEDs, resistors, capacitors, or pin headers that need consistent spacing for both aesthetic and manufacturing reasons. Using component arrays not only speeds up your layout process, but also ensures that your design looks professional and is easy to manufacture. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Altium Designer tips.